Rear facing with latch, lower anchor install. Preparing for installation. To begin, here are a few helpful steps to prepare your car seat for installation. The infant inserts come in 3 pieces. Always use the head pillow and back pillow together. If your child is not an infant, then you can remove the infant positioning pillow. Please refer to your instruction manual to determine if the pillow is needed. The buckle can be used in only 2 slots. Choose the slot closest to your child. Refer to your instruction manual on how to adjust. Push down on the harness release button, then pull the harness forward to loosen and provide slack, in order to move the headrest and harness position to correctly fit your child. Please refer to your instruction manual to learn more about rear-facing child fit. Locate the recline handle and pull it forward to recline the seat fully into position 3. Remove the lower anchor belt from the storage location. Locate the rear-facing belt path. Thread the connector without the adjuster through the rear-facing belt path. Pay attention to the adjuster to ensure it is fed through on the correct side and the belt is not twisted. Now you are ready to start the installation process. Installation. Place the car seat rear-facing in the vehicle. Check your level to ground line and ensure that it is parallel to the ground. Ensure that the arrows in the lower connectors are facing upwards. Fasten the lower connector first, then followed by the right lower connector. Push down on the seat with one hand and pull up on the free end of the belt with the other hand to remove the slack. Hold the car seat at the rear-facing belt path with your weaker hand and push and pull from side to side. It should not move more than 1 inch. Recheck your level to ground line and ensure that it is parallel to the ground. Please refer to the instruction manual for more information.